Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and you're watching Analyst Mind Today. In today's video, we're going to start a new series or new playlist which is GCP. If you watch 5 to 10 GCP tutorials and still don't understand how it is used in real jobs, it's not your fault. Most tutorials are teaching you tools and not how company actually works, right? So in this series, not going to teach you buttons. I'm going to teach you how real data flows in company using a Google Cloud platform, which is GCP. So without wasting time, we'll start this video. So hi everyone, welcome back. So people will learn BigQuery separately, then Cloud separately, and IAM separately, right? But never understand how they connect each other, right? So learning GCP is like learning keyboard, mouse, and monitor, but never using a computer. Okay, I hope you get it. So the shift is necessary. The shift of mindset is necessary in this thing. So companies don't care if you know BigQuery, they care if you can answer how does raw data become a dashboard. This is very important, and this is what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to help you understand. And just like, let's take an example, a core concept. So this is architecture. It's a very simple architecture. We have a database which is raw data is going into a Google data store, and in the BigQuery, basically all the cleaning part is happening over here, and then it's getting stored in the data warehouse. So this is a simple data pipeline, and which is then connected into a BI application. So BI applications may be your Tableau, Power BI, ClickSense, whatever you're using in your company, right? So let's say you're working on e-commerce company like Amazon. This is a data ingestion process. We are talking about the first step, and I'm just building a mindset over here, right? Okay, so what happens? Raw data. If you're working in a company like Amazon e-commerce, raw data ingestion. User clicks, orders, and reviews. These are my three basically. We can say a data coming up, right? User clicks, then orders, then reviews, and all this data is getting stored in Google Cloud Storage. Now this data is a messy data with no structure and just dumping ground, right? This is my first step, which is raw ingestion data, right? The second steps, which is my processing layer. So in processing layer, our clean data cleaning happens all the data. You remove nulls or transform the data as per the requirement. Okay, so all these things are done in a BigQuery, right? So then the business layers comes, right? The business layers is missing my KPIs, then dashboards and Loco Studio, whatever you're using. So Loco Studio is basically also a BI platform, you can say. It's for it's of Google only. So this is what you should be learning, not flus, right? So let's go to 5 common mistakes when members make when watching YouTube tutorials. Even take an example of me only. When I was new to this, I used to watch tons of videos on the Google, and I used to get confused what to learn, what to not, and I used to not do any projects. Okay, ignoring cost. Trust me guys, cost is the one of the main part which you have to focus when you go into companies, because you have a habit over here. You have a habit of unlimited resources you can use in Google free trial account, right? But the understanding this cost is very important in this when you go to companies. Every query you do, it takes some amount, right? So we'll understand all these things. Then also architecture. So without defining what you're going to do without defining the architecture, you go to the you start doing the projects or whatever things you're doing. So if you continue like this, you will know GCP, but you won't get hired, right? So what this series will do, so we'll building a real projects in this playlist. We'll build a real project step by step, and we will upload real data sets. Okay, we'll build pipelines, then clean data, and create a dashboards if you want. So all these things we are going to do in this series, and trust me guys, I'm not teaching this as a cloud engineer. I'm teaching this as a business analyst or data analyst who actually uses this data. Okay, so this is how we are going to do all this things in this videos and playlist. Yeah, the thing which I told you, right? So my perspective is GCP is much more simpler than using Azure and AWS. If you understand the concepts and start using GCP first, trust me guys, you will understand other cloud platforms easily. Yeah. So this is all for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, if you like this video, please comment, and I'm open for your suggestions. Help me, and please subscribe the channels. Thank you.